everyone, Nita here with WeCookiers.com. Welcome again. Today I'm going to bring to you some more baby girl cookies, and I just have a slug of those and they just keep coming in. I don't know if we're in a baby boom or just what, but anyway, I will introduce to you a bunch of cookie cutters that I have recently gotten, and very new or else just in the last few months, but one is Baby in Bloom, and this is one of my all-time favorites, and it's so easy to decorate, so I encourage you to get this if you're a decorator and want a really cute one. And that is just the end of the baby crib. It's just so easy to do, but the results are remarkable. You'll love it. Another one is just a plaque cookie cutter, and that's a real sweet one. I like that one. And a newer baby bottle. I've had one, but I was just ready for a new one. And of course, this one I've had for a while. The nightshirt, knotted nightshirt. And one of my favorites that I like to use in all themes is a single arch. I like the double arch as well, but this one is single. My traditional wreath, or not wreath, I've used this for a wreath actually, but is a baby bib. And the rattle, that's a newer one. And the teething, not ring, what they call it, I can't, anyway, it's that. And I think that's it for this one. It was only for a dozen, but I got kind of wild, and I don't usually do this, so many designs for just a single one, but I had so many new cookie cutters that I couldn't wait to use them. So you'll see those coming up. On the back side of this, I will link to some more baby cookies. And also, I want to tell you before I get started, I recently redid WeCookiers shop Gotta Haves shop. And before I had forgotten to untoggle a button, and it was blocking my standard shipping. And so I'm sure if you've gone over there before, you're thinking, oh my gosh, all that shipping, I'm not going to do that. So now I'm very fair with it, and I offer standard shipping for the most part. If you want faster shipping, certainly get a hold of me. We can do that too, but it's free shipping over $30 at the time of this video. And for under $30, I think I ended up at $6.99. So it's really fair shipping. You'll enjoy that. So go over, take another look if you've been over there. And I'm always adding new things. So until next time, you take care. Have a WeCookier day, and God bless you. Bye-bye.